Good morning, children. What are you all doing? How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying your days and doing all the studies also. Whatever videos I sent, you have seen that minutely and done all your homework. So today I am again back, class 2, to tell you something more about the next lesson. Before taking up the lesson, I would like to show you certain things. Early in the morning, when we wake up in the morning, then we do some things, our rituals. We don't start eating. Do you eat? As soon as you wake up, Mummy, give me biscuit, Mummy, give me this, Mummy, give me banana, all these things, do you say? No, I hope you know that before doing something in the morning, you should not eat. And what is that first thing what you do is you use your toothbrush and toothpaste, and you apply toothpaste on this, and then you brush your teeth this way, up and down, then inside, nicely up, inside and down, inside. You must brush your teeth, clean your tongue, and then with water rinse your mouth. Isn't it? Are you all doing such things? And before brushing your teeth, you should not eat anything. After that, you take a soap and you take water this way, and after taking water, you rub the soap in your hands properly this way. I will show you. This way you should rub nicely and then apply it on your face and wash your fingers, hands and all nicely, and then only you should ask Mummy to then wash it like this with water, and after this only you should ask your Mummy to do what? To give you something to eat. She definitely must be keeping milk ready for you and some biscuits ready for you before giving you breakfast, and then later on she must be giving you breakfast. So this is the first step what you must do, and then after that wipe your hands with a nice clean towel. Alright? And this is how you have to keep your face, your teeth and all clean. Then there are other things what you do after that. After Mummy gives you maybe a glass of milk or a cup of milk, then you must, early in the morning itself, when you wake up, you must take a bath. For taking a bath, again you use the soap, and the soap you use, the water you use, and you pour the water on yourself, and then after that you apply the soap again on your whole body. And if you're washing your head, I'm sure you're using shampoo. After rubbing the wet head with shampoo, you again pour water or stand under the shower and wash your whole body properly, and then get out of the bathroom. Before getting out of the bathroom, use a towel and wipe your body properly, and then wear a clean dress. For a nice clean dress, you must wear your dress which you wear in the home. That dress you can wear. And why it should be clean? Because you had taken a bath, you washed yourself nicely, you have become clean, and then also you are wearing a dirty dress which you wore whole night. So all germs are stuck on that dress. The germs will again come on your body, and you won't be clean anymore. So many types of diseases you will have if you don't keep your body will start itching here and there, and you will say, Mummy, it's itching. Why? Because you are not wearing the clean dress. Next, after that, after wearing your dress and all, take hair oil, pour in your palm like this and apply it on your hair. Nicely apply it fully and then comb your hair. Comb your hair properly and look neat. When you do such things, you feel so fresh and good and you become very neat. Now you see, every now and then after touching anything, you must use any type of hand wash or soap. Apply in your palm nicely, press, apply and rub the soap nicely on your hands and then after that wash with water. And even if you are not willing to go inside, then use a sanitizer. Take the sanitizer on your palm nicely, open the bottle of sanitizer, put a few drops on your palm like this and rub it. Your hands will become germ free, no germs in your hands. Small. You see, germs are there stuck to our hands. Always whenever we are touching something, germs get stuck to our hands. And then we do some work which is related to eating or something, then those germs get into our mouth and from the mouth it goes into the stomach and then we fall sick. This is the reason why we keep having stomachache and different types of disease come into us. Why? Because all the germs have entered our body inside the stomach and it is troubling us. Whenever you feel like that something is itching in your ear and you keep doing like this and then you take some pointed thing, a pencil or a key or something and you poke it inside, don't do that. Use a earbud to clean your ear. Followed? After cleaning your ear, you will feel little good. That itching will stop. So, such things you have to follow. Another thing what you should do is always trim your nails. Your nails should be trimmed. Why? With a nail cutter. Use a nail cutter. You cannot trim your nails, so ask your mummy or daddy. Daddy, mummy or daddy or mummy, whatever it is, whoever is in the house, we tell them to trim your nails. Why? Because inside the nails also lots of germs are stuck. And you eat with that same hand or you put your mouth accidentally inside your mouth, you put your finger and then all the germs enter your mouth and from the mouth it enters the stomach and you fall sick. So these are the different things which you must use every day. You see, you can see all these things kept here. What all things are there? Toothpaste, then hand wash, then sanitizer, soap, hair oil, towel. And another thing what I was telling you, you must use a, whenever you are sneezing, how you see? You do like this, no? You sneeze. So always keep your handkerchief in front of your mouth so that the other person sitting in front of you does not get affected. Follow? Anytime, whether you are sick or no, whenever you are, or even if you can do this, that you put your hands. I have seen in classroom also, you all come for corrections and all, and there only you start sneezing and the teacher is sitting in front of you, the other children are standing in a row and all the germs will be spread and then all will catch a cold, like how you are having cold. Another thing is that when you are coughing also, when you are coughing, the person sitting in front of you, all that which is coming out from your mouth, it is going on him or her. So always put a handkerchief and then cough like this. This is the way you have to cough. So a clean handkerchief, a clean towel, and all these things are there which you are using to keep yourselves clean. I will show you more things and why it is necessary. This also I will let you know. So for a little while I'll just stop and again I will begin the lesson. Understood, children? So be good and follow the instructions what I'm giving. Follow them and listen to your parents. Obey them. Thank you.